Came across one thing tonight. Just piles and piles of woodworking patterns. Hummingbird comes with the pattern in here. It's just a woodworking person's dream come true for all the how to do this and how to do that files of it. You can see that pattern. Lots of good information that somebody just, that's a nice one there. And then each of these is a thick little plastic packet, probably with the instructions of how to do it. Judy Gale's patterns is what that's called. Pictures to Judy Gale's patterns. Wall sconces. Lots of hummingbirds. And it did come with this little thing here. I'm sure it was made, but I don't know what it's for. It closes completely. Oh, it says made in China, so I don't guess it was made by the woodworker. But I don't know what you would put in there. Probably it's real obvious and I can't figure it out. So if anybody knows, let me know. Christmas, Madonna bells. Lots of articles and how-to in nice, well, oh, they were selling them for $2 each. So, yeah, that makes sense now. So I guess they just tossed them, but I do happen to know someone that teaches woodworking, and he's going to get this. I also took a couple bags, about 3 bags of little, like bingo type, bingo prizes to a nursing home today, and there was a gentleman sitting outside, so he was pretty with it. I asked him if they could use some bingo prizes, and he said they sure could, so I gave him the wood duck right off the bat, and he started singing me a song about where the wood duck goes. That's where he goes. And I guess it's like a song, if you're in your 70s, I think you sang it in the 50s is what I could gather. Anyway, that's today's find. Thanks for watching. It wasn't wood duck, it was wild goose. I know where the wild goose goes, and I go where the wild goose goes. That was the song he sang me. So he was happy to get his wild goose. It was a nice one too, nice find that I had. So here's a few more of these that are awesome, absolutely beautiful.